what is up, you guys? JoJo the 12th here. Today what we're gonna be doing is a little unboxing. The posters I got. You like my PJs? Hey. So I went to GameStop, the Power Up Awards, and I went and I bought some posters for the points I got. So we're gonna see what I got. I know one of them was Fallout 4. I don't know what this one is. Doesn't. There we go. So what we got? Hey! I can't get this game, but I do like the Skylander games. And we're so glad you cashed in your points for this really awesome item. Alright. I don't know if you guys were able to see this, but this is the poster right here. You can see it's a little supercharger from Skylanders. I was a big fan, but now I'm not. I don't know why. There's that. Now, I believe the next one will be Fallout 4. I can't remember what it looks like though. So yeah, I'm gonna hang these up as soon as we're done here. And gonna see what they look like. Hold on. Yeah, fuck it. Alright. Next one. Here we go. Alright. Oh, yeah. Hey. Here it is right here. I want to get the game, but I couldn't. I don't have the money to get it. I don't know if you guys could see that. That's the Fallout Boy. And it says welcome home right there, and shows the brand and game name right there. So yeah, I was actually excited to get these. So right now, before we do anything else, we're gonna hang these up. Hold on. Actually, okay, we're good on time still. Here it is. Alright. I know where I'm gonna hang that one up. Ow. Ah, god damn it. Alright. Sorry if I'm not in the camera. I'm trying to get the tacks out for the poster. Gonna see if I could do this. Damn it. I'll show you guys in a second the Fallout one right now. Hold on. Still good on time. We still got another 4 minutes. Should be able to show both of them. Guys, like the new Minion pajamas I have. Alright, here's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. It's right above where I sleep. So that is going to be exciting. Now to the next one, where I'm probably going to put it. Oh damn, I'll probably put it right over there. So let's get right to it. Still good on time. We got like 3 more minutes. So I ordered these, I think, 2 or 3 days ago. Oh fuck. There we go. Alright. So, there's the Fallout one and there's the Skylander one. So, I haven't played the actual game yet, but this is what apparently one of the characters look like. Looks actually kind of badass. So, yeah, that was my little unboxing video and me hanging them up. If you got, before, right here. Shows right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'll read it out loud for both of them. But the other one says the Skylanders. Joshua, we are so glad you cashed in your points for this really awesome item, Fallout 4 poster, or Skylanders poster. I have to say, we really love it when our members get these cool rewards. Now go build that point balance back up so we can send you more great stuff. Enjoy. From your GameStop Power Up Rewards team. So, I don't know if one of their employees would see this, but thank you guys. And, yeah, that's one more look right there. I'm gonna be excited as hell for that. And, hope you guys enjoy. As always, stay classy.